everyone, I'm Alexandria, and today we're going to talk about how to relieve shoulder pain that is caused by sleeping on your side. Shoulder pain is a very complex and very common complaint. Our shoulders are a very complex joint. They're a ball and socket joint, and because they are a complex joint, they can have a very wide variety of different issues that can actually happen within that joint. Our shoulder joint is the most mobile joint in the body. It is designed to really take a lot of exertion and for lots of repetitive movements. But of course, things like sleeping on your one side repetitively may start to do more harm than good. Uneven pressure can be strong enough to cause inflammation and pain in muscles and tendons. Stress on the shoulder must be limited in order to prevent or reduce pain, but is very difficult because the joint manages arm movement. During sleep, the concentration of weight on one side of the body is an important source of shoulder pain. It may be the direct cause or aggravating factor, often resulting in 1/3 of side sleepers waking up with a stiff shoulder or arm. A great way to really combat this issue is to really start being conscious of your sleeping positions and what you're actually using to help sleep better. So if you start to incorporate things like a body pillow, that's really great. It's going to not only really help relieve pressure from your shoulders, but it's also going to help really keep your hips in line. Another way to really target this pain that you're going to get from sleeping on one side is to really eliminate the pressure on your shoulders by sleeping on your back. Sleeping on the back eliminates any contributing factor to shoulder pain. It applies very little pressure on the shoulders as joints are stressed differently due to the elongated body. Many people who usually sleep on their side adopt the back sleeping position just for that reason. Now we're going to go over just 6 simple tips that can actually help and relieve your pain while sleeping on the one side every night. The first tip is going to be find a better sleeping position. The second tip, stick to a sleep schedule. The third tip, perform stretches for shoulder pain at night. Stretches are a great way to not only really reduce your shoulder pain, but also just to really get you relaxed and really ready to get in bed to get your nice rest of sleep. The fourth tip would be to try yoga poses for neck pain. The shoulders and the neck are very, very connected. So while you can incorporate shoulder stretches, a great idea would also be to incorporate some neck stretches. The fifth tip would be to consult your doctor if the pain is really persistent and chronic, and you may wonder if there is a more serious underlying problem. And the sixth tip is to actually use a TENS unit device. This is a very non-invasive, more of a holistic way to approach reducing your pain. It uses electrotherapy to send different signals to our brain that help us react to our pain differently. It also really creates endorphins, which are our body's natural painkillers. Thank you so much today for joining us on how to relieve the shoulder pain from sleeping on one side. We hope we gave you some great information that you can really take away and get a nice rest of sleep.